deer right close. God, this is actually really deep. I take it back, guys. I thought it was only like 8 inches to a foot. The more I go this way, the deeper the snow gets. They might have got like 16 or like a foot to 18 inches in places. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a drift. My belt's starting to get warm. Here we go. This is where it drifts all the time. Holy fuck. He's gonna get stuck. It's deep. Dad got stuck. Holy fuck. Go back again. Want me to make 1 or 2 more passes? Okay. I was starting to go myself. Getting Dad unstuck. Oh man, that's so much fun though. that was, getting him out was not fun. The snow's a little packy today, so if you get stuck, it even worse. It's worse. 3-foot drifts. Got to hit it one more time for a good measure. Let's see if he can do it. I don't know. Nope. Go, you can do it. Oh, I made a nice track for him, so he's able to do it now. Let's play one more time in the deep shit. Watch my luck, I'm gonna get stuck. Oh, fucker. That's why it keeps coming out. All right. One more time in the deep stuff. Oh yeah, boys. She loves it. I love the Assault. All right. Oh shit, that's a drift. I was not ready for that. I did not expect that. We'll see. You're gonna get pelted. You're gonna get pelted.